Good evening, students. How are you? Yes, very good. I am very fine. Yes, good, very good. Come fast, join fast, and I wish all well. First of all of you, congratulations for your new journey. And just you, I think, completed your 10th exam, and you really choose a great way for your career, what to be in your life. And for that, I think this is right track where you are. So first of all, I want to introduce myself. Yeah, some of you know me. Myself, VS sir, Vijay Sharma sir, physics faculty. And I think no need to introduce myself at that point. Yeah, whatever t-shirt I am wearing right now, that name is enough for me. Yes or no? That is proud for me also. Yeah, Chaitanya group. I think every student know that. And one thing I want to tell you, that in complete history you see, in whatever domain it may be, Sri Chaitanya proved that yes, the toppers produced heirs. Yes or no? That is very important for you also, and for you guys, you can take lot of opportunity. The things this bridge course is designed for you, that is really wonderful, and it's going to be very wonderful for you. Now let us start our session. Whatever things required, I am going to tell you whenever it is required. Don't be worried. Yes or no? Okay, first of all, let us start with our subject. Our subject is physics. First thing is that why we studying physics? We choose, or you can say we planning to choose our MBBS field. Then why physics? Why chemistry? So first of thing, that what is physics? Physics means that is a branch of science. Then problem is that, sir, what is science? Science means to know about not yourself. To know about yourself itself is, you can say, biology or something. As per physics is concerned, to know about nature, natural phenomena. That is called physics. And physics is so interesting, or you can say so useful for medical science student. When you start your career, or you can say when you start preparing for NEET exam, that time number of students coming to me and always say, sir, why we studying physics? Because we have non-mathematical background. Reason behind is that is I am going to make it very clear. So try to understand and listen properly. Yes, very good. So let us start. The first thing that I want to tell you, that physics is nature, about nature and natural phenomena. But what we study in physics, what we are going to study in physics, that will be helpful for your NEET journey, as well as that will be helpful for your MBBS journey. For that, first I want to introduce about whatever things required for physics, what we have to study in further coming session. You know, physics having number of branches. First one is mechanics. Mechanics, that is the major portion. When you preparing for NEET, you see that the mechanics is having large weightage. Second one, that is electrodynamics. Mechanics, as we can say, most of the part, the laws of nature we will discuss, gravitational part we will discuss, rotational part will be considered in that mechanics. Then after electrodynamics, electrodynamics means about charges, about magnetic field. Thermodynamics, about temperature, about heat. Then after optics, about light, rays. Then after modern physics, about, you can say, whatever modern technology is there, about what is transistor, what is logic gates, you can say whatever this computer generation, digital generation is going on, that is only modern physics. So as this name indicates, as per MBBS is concerned, when you preparing, then physics is required, it is for 45 questions game for you guys. But when you going for, you can say, your MBBS degree, or when you pursue your higher medicine career, at that time these parts play very important role. Like for example, electrodynamics. Nowadays, you know, everything in medical science is also completely digital. Like when you go ECG, then after you can say MRI. Nowadays, all are completely related on electrodynamics part. If someone dream for eye specialist, then going for optics in the sense how eyes work, how light enters, how we can see the objects. These all comes under optics. So these everything is important. That means I want to say, if you want to select in NEET, then physics is normally for a subject. But if you want to be super specialist, then physics will be your life. Throughout the life, you need some information, and physics is very interesting. So let us enjoy the subject. Let us start with that. Then what we are going to discuss in this bridge course and why this is important for you guys. See, in physics, what is the problem for the students? Why they are unable to perform better? Why physics phobia is there in NEET students? The main reason behind is that they lack basics. What is the reason? They lack basics. Basics in the sense, for physics, the first thing required is that basic mathematics. Not mathematics, don't scared. Only I told basic mathematics that is required in physics. What is that basic mathematics, sir? Basic mathematics that we will study in this bridge course. This is my guarantee, my dear students. This is my commitment that if you take each and every class properly, if you listen to me clearly, if you listen your each faculty member who is teaching in this bridge course clearly, your vision is going to be very clear. And you will find a different way as compared to your other students. And for that, Sri Chaitanya is there for you. Yes or no? So, one more thing that I want to always tell you about Sri Chaitanya. Here you can say these things which requires for students, really requires are going to happen. It's not like something show off and something is there. This is real discipline. Study with discipline, with ethics. All these things are going to be. That is the reason at the top. AIR 1 in NEET, AIR 1 in JEE. So this is, you can say, I think no need to say anything. So that's why I want that in further coming years you will be there. And we all are with you. That's why you are the gems who can dream for that, because right now your mind is completely set. Completely set in the sense you can dream bigger. We already proved that if you will be part of our system, we will prepare you like that so that you will feel one day, yes sir, we got that top rank, single digit, double digit. Yes or no? Okay, so let us start for that. So that's why my means to say, you just take each and every session very clearly, regularly, and always try to have pen paper with you. Reason is that, see, what happens whenever you are in front of screen, in front of mobile, in front of laptop, in front, especially YouTube, that means social media. Social media means only entertainment. See, this is, education is not entertainment. Education, you can make it entertainment with your fun. Means to say, not fun like that. You can have fun in your knowledge, in your subject. That means you are here to listen what to do in your life. What is physics, what is chemistry, what is bio, how to prepare for that, what is foundation, what do you mean by bridge? Bridge means we are giving a way to you, how to go high. Yes or no? So let us start for that. And again, I am telling you, for first class, 2 and 3 things that let me clear for you guys. One thing for physics, what you require, knowledge. For knowledge, I am here. Just you listen properly everything. It's my commitment to you that these 25 days going to be very interesting for you. Second point, when knowledge comes, second thing is required is practice. Practice in the sense, whatever things I am teaching you, it is your commitment, and commit it in comment box. Yes sir, definitely we do it. What you will do, 25 questions every day on that particular topic. Don't be worried, I will guide you. And commit that, yes sir, so that I can hear you. Yes or no? Our connectivity is only comments. Yes, very good. Yes, sir. Okay. Done. So, second one is, you will do how many? Yes, 25 questions every day. Okay. Yes, sir. CV. Done. Swati. Good. Yes, sir. Done. Okay. I want every comment. Yes, sir. Yeah, everything should be fired with yes, sir. Done. Next one. What was the second? First one is knowledge. For that, I am here. Second one, your commitment to practice questions. What is the third one? Yeah, very, very important. That is accuracy. how to improve accuracy. Practice, practice, practice makes a man perfect. You know that. See, human being know everything, but problem is that unable to execute. And we are here how to execute it. That I will teach you, don't be worried. That means this is third part means accuracy. And fourth one is speed. Whenever you learning driving, what is the first thing? That is knowledge. What is, you can say accelerator, what is brake. Second one, command, control. Third one, practice. Fourth one is the speed. The same thing in physics also. Not only in physics, I think in each and every subject this is required. Done? Okay, I think all comments are positive. That means we can start now. My all soldiers, my students are highly motivated. Yes, they are ready for their 2027 war. Yes, you know, competition is nowadays like a war only. War in the sense, yes, yeah, good. I need this type of those throughout your 25 days. Very good. And you do one sapat, that is via sapat. Yes or no? One commitment. Yes, sir, definitely we will continue it for 25 days. See, these all commitment is required. Whenever you want to achieve anything in your life, first thing is to commit it in front of all public. Definitely it will give you motivation to do something. That means commitment very, very important. Yes, commit yourself that we will be the best doctor in further coming years. Yeah, very good. So let us start our journey with physics. This is my commitment that physics will not going to be burden for you for NEET exam as well as your, you can say, doctor career is concerned. Let us start. So what I was saying, these all branches are equally important in your MBBS course as well as your PG course as well as your specialized course also. See, when I meet my old students who you can say pass out from AIMS as well as some Maulana Azad, you can say top medical colleges, right now they are well established practice doctors. Whenever I want to meet them, then also I need some appointment. Yes or no? That type of busy personality they are. Whenever I meet them, especially one of my student who is orthopedic surgeon, who told me, sir, that physics is really helpful me to become successful orthopedic. Orthopedic in the sense, whenever knee surgery, something is there, everything angle is measured, whatever things are required or concerned with physics. So that's why my first day for you, don't take physics like burden or only for qualifying purpose. Take physics is like your life. This is nature. We are living in this nature. We are fully dependent on this nature. If you don't know nature, this is not only for NEET, this is for our, you can say, personal being also. We are human being. We need to know what we are doing, where we are, what is nature that we are going to do. Yes or no? See, Newton, Einstein, they not research for nature and all these things for qualifying for NEET. They have done something for us so that we can know something. Yes or no? Then we guys, the things which are ready for us, we are unable to pick that things up. We don't know how we are working. We don't know how our, you can say, shoes are going to be, you can say, worn out after 1 and 2 years. This is physics only. There is friction only, yes or no. Sometimes we are falling somewhere, that is friction only, yes or no. That means these all are things are related with mechanics. Second one, every day we see light is glowing, in the sense current is flowing in a wire that itself comes under charges. Every day you are using mobile. Right now also you are in front of laptop, mobile, whatever it may be. That is, what is this? That is modern physics, semiconductor. So let us make this physics journey very wonderful. Okay, let us start our journey. That means for that I told you, for physics what things required? Basics. So I am going to tell you all basic concept of the physics in this, or you can say whatever further coming journey. So today let us start this process with basic mathematics. What is our topic? Yes, basic mathematics. Okay, before basic mathematics, I want to clear one thing. Try to make all these things noted down so that it will be helpful for you can say throughout the life. Whatever experience, whatever faculties this system is having, these are really awesome and wonderful for you guys. And these all things you are going to be taking free. So sometimes what happens, the things which are free, we not value those things. Value these things. Yes or no? This for you. Okay, let us start. I think you will doing commitments, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely we will write whatever you teach. We will practice whatever your faculty member, not only for myself, other members also, whatever your chemistry faculty member, or you can say botany, zoology, then try to make the session useful for you, yes or no? Okay, let us start. What is today's topic? Today's topic is basic mathematics. In physics, what basic mathematics is we are going to use? See, very, very important. Basic mathematics part. First one, we will start with today, means that is differentiation. What is the part? Differentiation, the very most important part, basic of physics. You can say without differentiation, we cannot learn physics. Differentiation. Second, we will discuss integration. And with differentiation, I will cover one main part of the physics, that is slope. Very important. After that, we will discuss trigonometry. So this is the basic mathematics. Then after, see, this is only basic part that we will cover within 2 to 3 days. Yes or no? This is very basics. If you listen my all the concept on these topics, definitely you will be the best in this part. Just listen properly, just practice that part. Yes or no? Your physics will be going to be very, you can say, easy for you guys. And after that, first I am going to tell you what journey we are going to cover and why these are helpful for you. See, when we discuss differentiation, you can see your 11th physics, your first year physics, that is completely based on differentiation. Completely, mechanics most part on differentiation only. Sometimes what happens, students not taking interest in differentiation. Why? Sir, this is the basics. This is not physics, this is mathematics. And what they are going to do, when we start 1D, you can say one dimensional motion, they are going to take interest, but they will not get that topic well. Reason, they don't know differentiation, they don't know integration. That's why these are very, very important. Okay, that means first our 2 to 3 days journey is from basic mathematics only. Yes or no? I think clear everyone? Yes, if everyone clear about all these terms, yes, please say yes sir. And always have fire in comment box so that I can come to know my soldiers are going to be, you can say, rock in further coming years. See, if you want to achieve something in life, the prime requirement is that you to be highly motivated. You to love what you are doing. Right now you are listening me, that means you enjoy the session. And I am, you can say, delivering something to you. I am really enjoying and appreciating you guys that you are so energetic and your comments are really wonderful. Yes, very good. And keep comments box like that so that I will be motivated at this stage. You know, basically in offline, when students are in front of me, then no problem, directly connected with students. But right now, yes, myself and you can say camera in front of me, your comments are representing that yes, you are with me. Okay, let us start. That is, which one? Differentiation. I think rest of physics journey we will discuss later. What we will discuss, okay, let me tell you what we will discuss later so that it will be helpful for you. After that we will discuss, after this part, we will discuss 1D. This is very important. If you learn 1D perfectly, whatever 4 topic I told you, differentiation, integration, trigonometry, and one part more that we will cover with this only, that is graph, because that is very big burden for the students. Graph, or you can say algebra, whatever part, that is small part. Then after 1D, 1D in the sense one dimensional motion. In this part we will cover what is displacement, what is distance, what is velocity, what is acceleration. Then after uniform acceleration, uniformly accelerated motion equation, and whatever differentiation and integration using those equations that we will discuss. Don't be worried, it's my responsibility to make each and everything clear, and whatever other things you require, always put in comment box, yes or no. But first, till basic mathematics, you maintain, you can say, complete equilibrium for those topics, because you sometimes what happens, we know that yes sir, these topics we know differentiation, but when I start, you see, oh sir, this type of the deep concept are there in the differentiation that will be used in our physics. That's why whenever you want to learn something, just have patience. Patience is very important for a doctor life. Okay, let us start with differentiation. So our today's topic is differentiation. Let us start writing whatever you want, or from my side everything you can write, because everything is going to be important for you guys. differentiation. See, what do you mean by differentiation? Differentiation means difference. Basically, it started from this journey. Let us assume I want to difference 2 minus 1. Everyone knows that this is 1. Let us assume I want to difference 0.0001 minus 0.001. You can also difference that. But if someone asks you 0.000000, you can say infinite time 1 minus 0.0000, so something like that. Time we have to think. Or otherwise we will say, sir, we need a calculator. Or sometimes calculator also say that this is undefined. That's why, that means this concept from where it came. Reason is that you know one term, that is del y. Del y means difference, y2 minus y1. One term is del x, that is x2 minus x1. Difference only. See, differentiation means difference. In simple concept you can say difference. But sir, why differentiation? We know difference. In LKG, UKG only we have done subtraction. That only is the different, you can say a differentiation. That is not differentiation. That is, you can say macroscopic differentiation. What we are going to study, microscopic differentiation. What is microscopic differentiation, sir? Whenever you do this, let us assume someone asks you, you do one thing, find del y by del x. Okay, sir, we can find it out, no problem. Okay, I am giving you one question. What is that question? Do one thing, take this del x 0. For that, mathematics one word is used. Limit del x tends to 0. Means to say, del x, you can say x, del x is so small that it's going to be 0. That means what you will get? Sir, our answer will be del y divided by 0. Means undefined, infinite. So that is the problem. We need some specific concept, because that is not going to be infinite when it is being observed in some graphical. When you will do something, you know, someone will become cardiologist and you will study some ECG, something EEG, then you will find that type of graph will be there where everything going to be infinite. But that means doesn't mean that patient gone. That means that still differentiation is remaining there. So what is the differentiation? Differentiation means, yes sir, this is whenever we find some patient like that, limit del x tends to 0, del y divided by del x, means to say patient still have some hope to be alive. How to? Yes sir, that is going to be differentiation, dy by dx. So this form is called differentiation. You need to remember, I think none of students know this. That means that things you are going to, yes, learn here. Or for learning something, yes, that type of comment I always required. See, again, you started your Ghar Grahasti. Yes, please, bhaiya, all these things. No. See, you know what t-shirt I am wearing. At least you value that t-shirt. Sri Chaitanya here. All these things are not, you can say, appreciated. Let us assume that what you are doing. If that type of comment is there like that, okay, brother, your sister, brother, what is this? This is showing that what cheap value we are having. You are here to dream big. For dreaming big, let us control your emotions. See, on comment box, you are unable to control your emotions. Yes or no? Control yourself. This journey is very long journey. For that, try to be focused. Try to focus on your dream. Yeah, very good. That means comment should be yes sir, no sir. This topic we require regarding subject, regarding knowledge. This session is not for our, you can say, something chatting and something like that. This is specific Sri Chaitanya knowledge group that you should value. Yes or no? And they try to, yes, very good. Now it's okay. Okay, done. This is differentiation. So what do you differentiation means? Differentiation, it's how to read this, sir. This means this is y itself is variable, x itself is variable. So we are going to say, or you can say read it like, this is called differentiation of function y with respect to x. Yes or no? This is differentiation of y with respect to x. dy by dx, very important. Now sir, how to do that? That is our work. How to do that? That will see. For your information, I want to tell you, some of students know that in your 10th standard, what is displacement? Yes. When we differentiate displacement with respect to time, it will become velocity. Everyone know that, I think. When we differentiate velocity with respect to time, it will become acceleration. Everyone know that. But thing is that, how to differentiate that, sir? That is the problem. Some of the students say, yes sir, we know that x to the power n is this one. But problem is that you know, but you don't know deeply how to utilize it. That is the problem that you need to learn. Okay, let us start with dy by dx function. If something dy by dx is given, now your turn, we are going to find differentiation. Okay, let us start with first one. The first and foremost formula that is very useful in our NEET physics, x to the power n differentiation, where x is a variable, n is a number. Let us assume x to the power 2, x power 3. Okay, what is differentiation of that functions? Let me know how many of you guys know that concept. Okay, comment it fast. Very good. What is the comment? In that case, power n is going to first x to the power n minus 1. This is the differentiation of x to the power n. And my dear students, this formula you have to remember not only for today. If you are going to be appear for 2027 or whenever your exam will be there, that time, up to that time, you have to remember this formula. Okay, what is that? N into x to the power n minus 1. Now let me know if sometimes you are using, sir, how to use this formula. If given one question, let us assume y equal to x to the power x square is given. What is the differentiation of y with respect to x? Okay, comment it fast. This is the simplest one. If you know formula x to the power n, then what is the differentiation of x square? Tell me fast. Yes, very good. Bhuvan, Satvik, done, good. Very good. Some of students, please explain again. See, Malika Arjun, Rao, no need to explain again. See, x to the power n differentiation is this one. What is that? Power, whatever power is given, that is in multiply. Then after whatever variable, and do power minus 1. Yes, very good. 2x, good, very good. Silly boy. Yeah, number of students got the answer. That means what we are going to do, what is the value of n? Value of n is 2. That means we can say 2x power 2 minus 1. What is this? 2x. Yes, sir. Very good. Then tell me one more questions on same concept. If someone asks you d over dx, very important, x to the power 0. What is the differentiation of this function? Now tell me fast. This is the hot question for today's class. Differentiation of x to the power 0 will be. Still no answer. Siddharth, 2, wrong. Perfectly wrong. MGM Manan, 0. Bhavya Siri, 2x. Malika Pali, 0. 0. Very good. Someone 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Yes, very good. Yeah, whatever your answer will be, it may be wrong, it may be right, but try to comment it. See, this is only physics, to know something new and who have curiosity to learn something. Yes, someone saying x, this is a very interesting point and most of the students don't know this concept. X to the power 0, just I told you that this is the only concept that is going to work throughout the physics. 90% of the problem of the differentiation will be solved from this formula only, x to the power n. So what is the power n? N itself is 0. So put value 0, x to the power 0 minus 1. Students are getting confused from this concept. This is multiply by 0. If number is multiply by 0, this is going to be 0. And from this concept only, we got a new formula. Sir, whatever quantity having power 0, it means this is constant. That means we have one more formula. What is that? Okay, let us move forward. What was the first formula? X to the power n differentiation we have discussed. This is x to the power n minus 1. Second formula, can I write like that? D over dx constant. That is x to the power 0 was a constant. That's why differentiation of constant is going to be 0. Differentiation of constant is going to be 0. Very, very, very important. I think up to here everything is very clear. Okay, done. Let us move forward. Let us use these two concepts together. Two concepts together in the sense, sometime you will find, let us assume x equal to, this is NEET type question only, t square minus 2t. This is given. And he is asking that find dx by dt. Let us assume, I think that you just 10th pass out, that means you don't know velocity. That's why I am giving you no time asking velocity. What I am asking? I am asking that you do one thing, differentiate this x with respect to time. Dx by dt you need to find out. Find out what it will be. Very good, comment it fast. Very good, Nikki. 2t minus 2. 1. Second one. Very good, Prasad JT. 2t minus t. Nahin. Which one? Kasawachari, wrong. Not t. Lakshmi Devi, 2t minus t, wrong. Yes, Nikki, again 2t minus 2. Very good. That means what is answer? See, listen properly how to do this differentiation. See again. What is this? Sir, we will treat it like x to the power n. See, don't be confused. Sometimes student will getting confused. Sir, here d by dx. This is d by dt. No problem. What you have to see, whatever quantity is given here, that you need to see. If this is t, that means here also t with respect to t only. That means that formula is going to work. What is that formula? Now we can use x to the power n place t to the power n. That means in the place of x to the power n, we can use t to the power n. That will be n into t to the power n minus 1. That means power 2 before the coefficient t2 minus 1. That is going to 2t minus 2. 2 is constant. See, here also some confusion will arise. Sir, 2 is constant, that is 0. No, 2 constant, but this is with time t. That means this is going to d over dt. Again t. T in the sense dt will be cancelled, or you can say t to the power 1. We differentiate, then this is going to 2 only. Then what is final differentiation? This is 2t minus 2 is the differentiation. 2t minus 2 is the differentiation. Yes. Okay, students, comment it fast. Whether is it clear or is there any problem? Okay. Whatever physics related, whatever I am teaching you, if you have any problem, then you can comment. But not your, you can say, each other relationship problems. That will not be happen again. Yes, very good. That means clear to everyone. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If still someone having doubt, let us take some example. That means what we have studied, first one, x to the power n. We know that x to the power n minus 1. But let us assume, if someone asks d over dt, t to the power n, then what is the answer? Sir, now this x will become t. That means n t power n minus 1. So there is no difference. So let us do it very clear. Sir, how to differentiate? Let us assume x, y equal to, given that y equal to, what is given? X to the power n. See, listen very carefully. This is very, very important concept. What is given? X to the power n. But I am going to ask you a new concept in this same concept. What is that? I am going to ask you find dy over dt. What is that? Dy over dt. What is dy over dt? Sir, explain again. Sir, Hindi please. Yeah, Hindi, English all are equal. I think there is no problem for Hindi and English. Those who are demanding for Hindi, just you do one thing, try to understand whatever I am speaking. Yes or no? That will be good for you also. Yes or no? Because you know nowadays everything Hindi, English all are equal. Language should not be problem in physics at all. Yeah, very good. Okay. What is that? Sir, x to the power n. This is n x to the power n minus 1. That is okay, sir. We are applied the formula. But problem is that in this question, we have done differentiation with respect to x. But in this question, he is asking about t. That means first differentiate the function. Whatever rule is there. What is the rule? Sir, we are getting x to the power n. And what is the differentiation? N into x to the power n minus 1. But at last, what you have to do, sir, this x with respect to t is also required. This is dx over dt. This is also important rule. Sometimes it can be directly used. Is it clear or not? Yes or no? No, zero. Yes or no? That means I want to tell you, I want to explain you there should be very clarity about with respect which quantity we need to differentiate. Not like that. You can't blindly put the formula. First you check with respect to x he is asking, with respect to t he is asking. Okay, now, okay. That means if you know how to do with respect to which function, that means there is no problem about differentiation. That means our most of the time we will discuss about dy by dx, means differentiate with respect to x only. So let us finish this with respect to x. So what was first formula? D over dx, x to the power n, that is n x to the power n minus 1. Now on the basis of this one, I told you what is d over dx. Someone asked x to the power 3. What is this differentiation? 3x square. Power first, 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, now come to the one question I am going to ask you guys. Which one? If it is given y equal to 1 by x, what is the dy by dx? What is the differentiation? Do it fast, so that those students who are saying that this is not clear, it will be clear. Don't worry. Yes, I am revising all these things again. Don't be worried. Yeah, I read your comments. Some of students saying that explain again, sir. Don't be worried. What I promised you, everything is going to be clear. Just have patience. Yes, very good. What is the differentiation of 1 by x? See, log x, leaky mental, no, wrong. Yes, very good, Nikki. Yeah, Nikki, really very good. I think this is your second correct answer. Minus 1 by x square. Minus Mr. V, minus 1 by x square. Very good. See, those students who are confused in this differentiation, no need to confuse. How to do this differentiation? First do one thing. Convert this into x to the power n form. This is 1 by x. When this going upside, you can say in numerator, it is going to become x to the power minus 1. Now what is the value of n? N is going to be minus 1. What is our formula? N into x to the power n minus 1. Put this formula. Value of n is minus 1. X to the power minus 1 minus 1. This is minus 1 multiplied by x means this is minus x. Minus 1 is minus 2. So you can write it minus x power minus 2, or we can simplify it. Power when going down, you can say in the denominator, this is going to be x square. So this is the differentiation of d over dx 1 by x. Directly you can remember also. This is important, and not only important, this will be used in our physics multiple times. Multiple times in the sense number of time it will be used. Yes or no? Done, sir. Minus 1 by x square. Yes, very good. So this is the minus 1 by x square. Okay, let us do one more questions on this same concept, so that it will see, whenever you are getting confused in any type of the concept in physics, do 3 to 4 questions on that particular concept. That is the only way to learn physics. Let us assume y equal to root x is given. dy by dx. You have to find it out fast. See, I am giving you options so that it will be easy for you. Option number 1, 0. Option number 2, that is equal to 2 root x. Option number 3, 1 by 2 root x. Option number 4, 1 by root x. What is the right answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. Just use x to the power n formula, but to be very careful for mathematical calculation, because whenever under root values are coming, yes, we have some fear about that, and definitely there will be some mistakes. Yeah, which one? Some are saying 4. This forever 3, option 3. Yes, means very good. Number of students are able to do. Only few are wrong, otherwise most of the students are right. That means you are getting very good. 90% students are correct. That means, yeah, we are doing right work. So how to do this? First convert it into x to the power n. This is x to the power 1 by 2. Then dy by dx is, what is the value of n? Again same, whenever x to the power n is given, you have to use it like n into x to the power n minus 1. Here value of n equal to 1 by 2. What is the value? 1 by 2. Then how to use this formula? 1 by 2 x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. This is 1 by 2 x to the power. What is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2? Very good. Note 1. This is minus 1 by 2 only. I think this you know that. And now we can write it. This is 1 by 2. When this is going downward side, this power is going to be positive x to the power plus 1 by 2. And x to the power 1 by 2 itself is root x. So this is going to be 1 by 2 root x. What is the right answer? Third option is the right answer. Yes or no? So I think this is clear to all of you. Very good. I think it is clear. If it clear, then yes, same. In comment box, there should always be yes, sir, so that your information going to reach at me. Yes, done. Very good. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, let us do one or two more problems that is used in our directly physics concept. Let us assume d over dx. One more question we are taking. Sometimes what they are doing, let us assume given question 1 by root x. Then how to perform this? Because these are the concept in which most of the students stuck. If you able to do these types of the question, that means you are going to be very strong in this part of the physics, and this is very important part of the physics. I already told you. Yes, what is that? Okay, I think you need option in this part also. Option number 1, 1 by 2 root x. Option number 2, root x. Option number 3, minus 1 by 2, x root x. Option number 4, none of these. Which option is the right option? Do it carefully. This is you can say not simple question, this is logical question. You have to be very focused when doing this question. And if you are able to do this question perfectly, that means your today's session is really you enjoying the session. Enjoying the session in the sense you are learning something, not only passing your time. And that I want. Whenever you are taking that type of the session, always try to learn something. Option number 4, none of these. Most of the none of these. 2, 3, 4 means all mixed option. That means there is some confusion. Then what to do? See. Okay, let us check how to do this question. 1 by root x means, what is the meaning of 1 by root x? Root x means when this is going upside, this is power minus 1 by 2. I think this is clear to all of you. This is power minus 1 by 2. Now compare it with x to the power n equal to minus 1 by 2. N equal to minus 1 by 2. Then use that formula n into x to the power n minus 1. Now let us calculate. This is minus 1 by 2 x. 2 will be LCM. 1 minus 2. This is minus 3 by 2. Problem is that This is exact answer you can say. But problem is that in that options we are not able to find. But in this there may be some problem. So let us check is matching this one or not. This will be minus 1 by 2. When this is going downward side, x to the power 3 by 2. That means minus 1 by 2 is okay. First of all, x is in downward side. What is the meaning of x to the power 3 by 2? It means x to the power 1 by 2 3 times. X to the power 1 by 2 into x to the power 1 by 2 into x to the power 1 by 2. That means x root x. That means in downward side, it is going to be x root x. That means this option is also not right. Which one is the? None of these is the right option. And that's why I have given one option is none of these. Reason is that this is also NEET pattern. Some of students are guessing only 1, 2, 3. So that's why be careful. Sometimes you will not find no answer. That means you to be very judgmental that there may be none of these. When you going to become doctor, then also this is required. Sometimes patient will confuse you. Yes, this type of problem, and you will find that there is no problem. Only psychological problem is there. Yes or no? So that's why keep studying. I think you enjoy the session. And again, I want to tell you, try to be consistent and regular with this session. Yes or no? Everything is going to be very wonderful. It is my commitment that you are going to enjoy, and I will deliver you number of things which are required for you guys to become a successful doctor, or you can say to get score, you can say good score to get admission in medical colleges, good medical colleges, even though AIMS Delhi also. Yes or no? Okay, thank you very much. Keep studying. Jai Hind.